What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motovlog. We got a great day of riding here. Charles City Dirt Riders put on a free ride day, no charge to ride, so a bunch of me and my friends came out and took advantage of that. The dirt is absolutely great this time of year. It's the last day of 2023, actually. We're riding the YZ250F Monster Edition. Hopefully my quality is better because I'm on a brand new camera. Let me know in the comments if you think the quality is better. Ah, my hands get so cold so fast. I gotta warm them up with the exhaust. What up, buddy? Woo! Oh, it's sketchy, dude. I thought Colin might hit his rear wheel. Now I gotta be confident and make her pass so I can get there against Colin. Stop beating all this Bruce, man. Just like boxing me out. Bro, I don't give a shit. I'll just cut the track. Check me out, bro. See ya. Alright, we'll keep it third, see if I can lug it through this line. There we go. So this track can be fun, but the hard part is, oh, whoa, 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 you good? Damn, that was scary, bro. Hold on. That kid will learn to squeeze with his legs. That's for sure. That'll scare you. We got tons of people here today, all different skill levels. Beginner to like A-class level riders. This 50 is ripping. Hell yeah, bro. He's tearing it up. I can't believe how much this kid is ripping this 50 later. He almost went down. Oh my god, dude, just crossing over. So he just like crossed over in the middle of the track. Would have been better if he just held his line. That little single roller thing is a lot of fun. You can like air out as far as you want. Alright, so that's the speed I gotta go, and I just gotta land on the brakes. I got that. Yeah, you just gotta go. I gotta go faster. I don't know why I'm going so slow. That was dumb. Don't be dumb, Derek. Colin's getting it on that RMZ 450, man. I'm gonna try to keep up. I don't know if I can. Especially in those straightaways, he just kills me. Torque of that RMZ taking off. Big 450. Braking bumps are actually kind of gnarly, dude. I don't know if it's me, if I'm doing something wrong, but I feel like this Yamaha, I feel like the Yamaha gets head shake sometimes. I don't know if that's a suspension setting thing that I can fix. We made it! Hell yeah! Woo! What's up, son? Oh, and he's got to kickstart it because it's a Suzuki. You can't just press the button. See, like, I don't have enough confidence to pass, but that's where I should be passing those straightaways. Whoa, dude. We got people cutting onto the track, like right in front of other people jumping. Sketchy as hell. Oh man. Best jump on the track. The landing is just chaos. Look at all these people. The interstate is absolutely packed with traffic today. What the heck is that thing? Whoa. It was burning oil. I don't know if it's a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke. Someone let me know what that bike was. Alright, I think we got a dad out here telling his kids to go. Oh, oh! Collision! We got mini bikes colliding, dude.
Like a parade lap.
Dude, we couldn't go anywhere.
Yeah,